I'm gonna post this to freaking YouTube. All right. I know. Ooh, there's an old boss up there. There's an old Mustang. I think it's a boss.
Bro.
Dude, those are nice. I'm uploading this to YouTube.
You know, I wish that I would have taken this.
Oh, it's the Fox body. It's the Fox body. It's the Fox body.
Okay, I gotta be
Yeah. This.
Losing your phone. Don't fall on your ass again.
Or do whatever it takes for the shot.
Yeah, or do. That'd be funny.
Honestly, the Fox bodies here are freaking terrifying. The Fox bodies here are always the loudest ones. Fun fact, that Nismo back there is one of two in Erie. Oh, yeah, that Nismo back there. One of two. The other one's a black one.
Nice.
There's more Supers in Erie than there are that.
Oh God. I saw a Mark 5 the other day.
Actually, I saw Mark 4 the other day.
Oh yeah, there's only one Mark 4 in Erie, and my dad knows the owner.
Oh,
Yeah.
right now.
Oh, come on! Oh wait, never mind. All hope is not lost.
This one.
All hope is not lost. All hope is not lost for a fast freaking car. I'm recording a video. Who would do something like that to a car, man? What? I am watching. I'm uploading this to YouTube, then deleting it off my album. Guy! Oh, shit! I was probably gonna get like 4 views. I don't care, I can use it for personal use later. Personal enjoyment later on in the day.
Bill goes out of his way.
You see the people running the street now?
You know when the guy's doing a burnout and starts to go forward? That's Phil being in the front of the thing.
Oh boy, a Mopar. AMC Gremlin. I'm not sure if AMCs are allowed in America anymore, but they're imported, I guess. I don't know anymore. Yeah. And people actually had to get on face masks because of it. It was bad. It was bad. You couldn't see. Nah, that's not what I... Erie has the coolest freaking cars, man. Oh, oh, it's the Corolla. It's the Corolla. It's the Corolla. It's the Corolla. I don't know, it's just real nice and it's moving very slowly so I can get some good footage on it.
Is he gonna do something?
Oh, please tell me he's gonna do something.
You gotta do something.
Come on, man.
Come on. Why not? Come on. You gotta do something. There's no sign.
They took it down. You're all right now. Yeah, no power.
Oh, not enough power? It's an IROC. 90s Camaro. It was a short-lived generation, but it was a good one in my opinion. Oh, hey, Miata! 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 Come on, at least do that. You gotta at least do that, alright?
He will. Yeah, he will. Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
I heard a supercharger.
Oh wait, there was a, I think it was a supercharged one. I'm not sure. Is the supercharged one the one with the hood lifted? No, I think only one Miata had the hood lifted.
I know it's just like.
I don't know what to record. Come on, buddy, do something. You have a Honda. Woo! Come on, come on.
Oh, man.
Nothing happened.